In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel filter on this F-350 with a 7.3 liter Powerstroke engine. It's located on top of your engine. Let's get started. Use a 13mm socket to remove the two mounting nuts that hold this cover on. And remove the cover. Underneath this cover, you'll see the fuel filter cap. Now, sometimes these look different. They might have an area to put a socket on, or they might have a different looking handle. This one has some tabs, and although it is supposed to be a little bit tighter than this, I'm able to spin it off by hand. You could use whatever tool fits on yours to remove it. Unthread it all the way, lift it up, grab onto the filter, lift it out. I'm going to let it drain as much as I can. Remove the O-ring, we're going to replace this. Take the new filter, and on the bottom of it, I'm holding it upside down right now, there's a round O-ring that needs to go on this groove. Make sure it's seated all the way around. Put the larger O-ring at the top. And this filter comes with the cap already attached. I'm going to drop it in slowly so the fuel filter can soak in fuel as it goes in, so the fuel doesn't spill out everywhere. I'm going to just let it drop in by itself. The less air you get in here, the less priming and bleeding you'll have to do. All right, it reached the threads, so now spin it on, make sure it's going on smoothly, it doesn't cross thread, and make sure that O-ring stays in place. If it doesn't bottom out completely by hand, most likely something is in the way, such as the O-ring or the filter didn't seat right. A little bit of fuel came out, that's okay. Different filters have different sizes. I'm just going to use an adjustable wrench and snug this up. All right, that's bottomed out and snugged. The O-ring does the sealing, so you just have to squish that down a little bit, and that's plenty tight. Put a little bit of pressure on it, not much at all. This was not even a quarter turn after it bottomed out and touched the O-ring. It's about an eighth actually. So definitely don't make it too tight or you will crack this cap. At this point, you can clean up any leakage that you had here and make sure that it's dry. You can use something such as brake parts cleaner. This will help you see any other leaks that might occur. Put this cover back on. Start on the two mounting nuts. Snug these up. Now let's prime the fuel system. To prime the fuel system and bleed any air out of it, all you have to do on this truck is cycle the key to the on position or to the run position, and then wait about 30 seconds. The lift pump, which is in the tank, will pump fuel to the fuel filter and the high pressure pump. There is a return line though, and any air will just go into the tank through that return line. Do this several times, and you should be good to go. If you listen closely, you can hear air rushing through the fuel filter bowl, if there is any, as this cycles. Here we go. After a little bit of time, you will hear an audible click inside the cab. That's the fuel pump relay shutting the fuel pump off. That was it right there. I'm gonna do this one more time and then start it. Awesome. Check for leaks, and other than that, take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.